Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the PrimeMatik electric swivel base here. 25 centimeter. It's a wide rotating platform with LED lighting in the center of it. It's a round, wide plastic base measuring of 250 millimeter in diameter to 35 millimeter in height. It's supported a load up to 20 kilogram. The swivel is 360 degrees and the round speed is 40 seconds. And it supports clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. We have an on and off switch and the direction change as we like. That's really cool to prevent some stuff easily, as you can see. Or it's a nice thing for decoration. That's a cool thing. It's a motorized swivel base. It is a platform that rotates slowly and steadily while it is moving, and it is activated by a power supply, of course. It is connected to the main supply. It is for photography of the photo model, for example, or releasing 3D models, or exhibitions, shop windows, advertisings, etc. This is a small model with a plastic base and an LED light at the base. This is either for jewellery or pastry displays or what you like. The white plastic round base in measurement are 250 millimeter and 35 millimeter high. You can go stuff on it up to 20 kilogram, and it will make a 360 single round speed of 40 seconds. It supports clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, as you can see, by using the switch operations. It supports easily that, as you can see. You have two switches. One switch is for the operation mode, the other is for the LED, and of course for the right and left rotation. 0.2 watt LED light at the base to illuminate the models, and it connects directly to our 220 VAC main supply. That's cool, that's easy, and it makes a good job for decoration, for presentation, for what you like. This is the PrimeMatik electric swivel base. It's a wide rotating platform with LED lighting. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.